Everybody, Martyn the Flicking Feathers again today, and I'm tying a bastard crab. Very effective merkin variation. The legs are tied a bit differently. Works well for bonefish. There's catch that's caught permit and other species as well. As always, I'll put a materials list in the description along with a link to the Patreon page for anybody that would like to support the channel. And get access to the members only content and be entered into the giveaways. So I've got my hook and my vise. This is a size 4, SL11 3H. I'm going to start my thread. Colours up to yourself, but I'm using hot orange. And I'm just going to get the thread started, and then I'll tie my eyes in quite near the front. Right. Always with this style, merkin style a crab, if I'm not putting a keel or anything, the eye's right up at the front. I always look at it from the front just to make sure everything's nice and square, and then I'll get that locked in, nice and secure. Now, I find it easier with these to tie my weed guard in ahead of time, rather than at the end, because there's not a lot of space and I don't want to like catch the crab body. So I tie a loop. I just use the same like £20 hard nylon. I tie a loop going forward. I come across to the front. Figure 8 over it again. And that's, I can just leave that there for the time being. So the face of this fly is just some, I suppose it's supposed to be the claws and all that, the mouth parts. It's just some tan marabou, although you could use other colours obviously, but I'm tying a tan version. And I'm using like an extra select marabou plume, and I'm going to strip the fibres from one side. See how it looks. Now I want it to be fairly heavy, so I'm going to sort of rip the finer points away. That leaves me with a sort of a dense wee clump, and the ends are still kind of raggy and uneven, which is nice, right? You don't want it to be like a square edge. Length of the tail, I like it to be a shank length off the back, so I'll just transfer that across. Split the marabou around the hook, and I'll grab it here. I'll take a loose wrap. I'll tie it back. Just make sure it's in there, not creeping around. And then just come in, trim away the butts so it's sort of the length of the body. I'll tidy up more or less. Right, you don't need to be super fussy though, because you're going to hide everything. I'll bring my thread back. Now, just for a wee bit of security on those dumbbells and over those wraps, I'll just get some super glue. Same on this underside. Get all that coated up. Now, this is all going to be covered with another layer of thread as I go along anyway, which you need actually. Otherwise the salt water will whiten the, just press that up so it sticks in the bottom unseen. bit of marabou snagged around my thread. You need to make sure that's covered, right? Super glue that's exposed to the salt will go white. Looks horrible. So that's all covered up. Just touch it. Take away the wet stuff. See that everything's nice. For the body, I'm just using EP fibre, tan. I want a chunk that when I pull it tight, I'll sort of twist it. It's about the same diameter, same thickness as like a strand of yarn, let's Lydia's or even knitting yarn, knitting wool. The original was tied old school merkin style, but the crab performs a lot better if you tie the EP fibres on the inside. Right, it always rides hook up this time. This way you never need to worry about what way the crab's sitting. Right, so I'm just figure eighting this in. At this stage it can help if you just wet the marabou. Makes it a wee bit easier to control. So I've done like 4 turns each way, and I'm going to tie back. And there, nicely secured. Get another bit about the same size. Same again. 1, 2, you can grab that, just adjust it. Two. And I'm quite happy with the 2 wraps now on this one, because the other one is the stopper really. And then we're ready for the first leg. So unlike most merkins, the legs are not tied across the way. I've got half of a silli leg here. This is an EP leg actually, it's the crustacean leg. It's tan and clear with a gold flake, it's a nice leg. Tie that in, so you've got like a 1/4 length of silli leg. On top of the shank, fold it back, take a wrap over it, make sure everything's going up the way, and that keeps the legs on top. Just tidy up. Then we can have another bunch of fibres. One, two. Just sort of rinse and repeat. And you can actually shunt this back up against the leg there. And then again, wind back and secure it, lock it in, never go anywhere. Another bunch. Same again, pull it tight, pull it back, tie over. You're getting something like that. Grab another leg. Same again, just only need half a leg per pair. fold the leg over, catch it on top, hold it and lock it in. Again, you can sort of pull and adjust it to make sure it sits on top. And we'll just carry on with the EP. Figure it in, tie it back, and another one. Right, pull everything back, force that thread back, build up a nice wee dam, make sure everything's nice and locked in. And then the last leg, or the last pair of legs I suppose, come in, fold them into a V. I mean, you could use hot tip legs or something. I like a wee hot leg now and then, but this is nice. It's a nice colour. It's a nice natural sort of colour. The wee flake in the leg is just gives you a wee subtle flash. It's nice. It's a nice blend that you get if you use these legs. It's a bit tricky in at the eyes here, but we'll get there. Lock it all down, build it up around the eyes a wee bit, and then just cut that. Now, the beauty of this fly, other than its fishing, is how we can trim. How easy it is to trim, right? Usually when you tie a merkin, it's a nightmare trying to get in amongst all these legs, but there I can see I've got the 6 legs clear just by turning it over. And I'll just grab everything, push it up, and then get a wee quick haircut. Legs are safe. Make sure it's even. Can do a wee bit of sort of tidying up, but there you go. That's it, trimmed. No messing about, no worrying about the legs. I've got my crab, the legs are all clear. I don't really think it's necessary, but if you really are fussy, you can give the legs a wee nip just to level them off, and then we're ready to set this weed guard. And all you do is pull that loop down and wrap in front, pulling down and back. And when it stands up, you can whip finish. turns on that one. Always to pull the hook and pull that nice and tight. Trim away your excess thread, and that's it. Fly's done. All you need to do is check the length that you need for your weed guard, something like that. That's fine. And then I know some folk don't like it, but I'm going to stick some head cement on this. You know, we use dyed materials and all that, chemically dyed materials. I don't think the head cement really is an issue. And I like to cement the whole underside. Protects that thread. Again, feel it hard coral or sand's actually very abrasive. It's just a wee bit of protection. So there you go. That's the bastard crab. Really good bonefish permit fly. Works for a whole range of species though, so well worth a place in any flash fisherman's box. So hope that was useful, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to give me a thumbs up below and please remember to subscribe to the channel. Take lens guys, bye.